6 them upstairs, yeah. Alright. Hey, yeah. Alright. Every time I make a post on Insta, Benny, dear girl in my DM, no for them a message request, so me no see them.
You deaf, make them know Shaqstar. Say a whole heap of them a text a message, but we no do it. We no see them. Nah running, cause nothing can change it. You see me? The fame, the hype, nothing can get to you see. We unchangeable. You see me? Like normal. Yeah man, and drive a 876 out here like all the time, you know. How far would I do the review here on Shaqstar, brand new single name, Unchangeable. You see it produced by Livewire Records. You see me? Like normal. Yeah man, and we are making you hear some of my song and then I explain the lyrics them too and I make you know what I go on fully, you see me? Yeah man, fully 6 man like all the time. No joke about that. Listen up.
One bag of text, one link with the G. Man a real born girl is slow with a pretty.
Yeah, deaf yeah, man say yo, one bag of girl is one tech. One bag of girl a link up. You see me? But you not pretend, you not make them a fake smile and then a fake, you see me, running. Business get to him. Yeah man, a real man.
From Poppy 6 shoot off. Now the BM with a blood clot girl, well brown and pretty. Jelly, say we are lucky city. 6 upstairs and we no show pity. Never in my bed, we no like rat, but we have to start cheddar. Dear top girl, they are the killer.
A deaf yeah, man say never, my brother. We no like rat, but we still have to stack each other. You see me, man, I make you know, say, yo, when the rat them run in, man, you have a rat trap for them, you see it? Catch them and burn up them skin, you see me? Like, normal. No joke about that. And yet still a be a top girl there run into it, things, so you don't know, you have to stay militant and firm in ourselves like all the time.
Them life too, with the full load beretta, and say me clever, my brother, say we never ever gonna change like the weather. Say me nah go ever switch, yeah, one family forever, alright, yeah, we stay real, get money, get girl, with my brother them still.
The deaf yeah, man say yo, we never ever gonna change, never ever gonna switch. Stay real with them brother them, get girl, get money, get fame, get everything with the team. Day one, you see me? But I switch up because enough time you have some money in a life, you know. Then start making money and things start happen for them. Then start hype and show off and boast for the man them what they did it for them. And gone with some new friend and, you see me? Gone to some other place and stray and waste out their energy. And then style in a good brother. You have to know yourself and know what you do out here. So I hit the man I tell you say, yo, yeah man, I know myself, brother. I mean I do the right thing and stay humble and militant. You see, now I get drawn out by the hype and the fame and them things there, you see me? I hit man.
So, yeah, stay real, put in the work and them see the changes. Me say, yo, Seafood, stay real and we no play game cause this a no play field. Oh, yeah.
Yeah man, the man saying stay real, you see me, and put in the work now you see changes. You know, play a game cause it's on a play field, you see me, man, know say grimy, you see it? Them have to just do the right thing and put in the work. Even sometimes when it look like nothing nah go on or the work nah reach nowhere, you still do the right thing. You see me, just go on and work and put the work out there so people can hear and know what go on. You see me? From once the sound out there, you know, you work for itself, you know. You see me? I just saw a thing come down, man.
Stay real, Tom Brand tree out there. Alright, stay real to myself, stay real to my people. They never believe in a we for no reason. Until them see me push it coming right through the needle. Man a real warrior, me never feeble, no. One bag of time.
The deaf man say him push it right through the needle. You see it? The roughest and the toughest and some things that seem like impossible. And them, you see it, he make it pass the worst. Even enough that I say, oh, like he not gonna make it. Yeah, man. Stay real, man, unchangeable and do the right thing, man. Like all the time. Yeah. And drive a 876 and make you know for share, like, and subscribe. And tick the notification bell and stay posted to this YouTube channel for further notification posts. We out here like all the time. 6 out here.